This one here, it says, show that 9 raised to n plus 1 minus 8 and minus 9 is divisible by 64 whenever n is a positive integer. Okay, it says whenever n is a positive integer. That's the most important thing. Let's take first of all 9 raised to n plus 1. Can I write this as 1 plus 8, which is 9, raised to n plus 1? Now if I expand this, in place of n I have n plus 1. So this will be, write it again here, 1 plus 8 raised to n plus 1 equals to, this will be n plus 1 c 0, then 1 will be raised to n plus 1 and 8 will be raised to 0. Second, n plus 1 c1, 1 raised to any positive number will always be 1, so I can leave it. Let's take 8 here, into 8 to the power 1. Then I have n plus 1 c2, 8 to the power 2. Then I have n plus 1 c3, 8 to the power 3. It keeps on going till n plus 1 c, n plus 1 and 8 to the power n plus 1. Suppose n is 5 here. So this will be 5 plus 1, 6. In that case, this will be 8 raised to 0, 8 raised to 1, 8 raised to 2, 8 raised to 3, 8 raised to 4, 8 raised to 5, and 8 raised to 6 finally. Here this will be 6c6 or 5 plus 1, if n is 5, 6c6, 8 raised to 5 plus 1 is 6. That is what I am writing here. N plus 1 c, n plus 1, 8 raised to n plus 1. N plus 1 c0, n c0 is always 1. So n plus 1 c0 will also be 1. So this will be 1 into 1 raised to n plus 1 will also be 1. 8 raised to 0 will be 1. So this will be in total 1 plus n plus 1 c1. N c1 is n. N plus 1 c1 will be n plus 1. You can try solving it. So this will be 8 into n plus 1 plus, if I take 8 square common here from this bunch, what I'm left with is n plus 1 c2 plus n plus 1 c3. This 8 cube will become 8 raised to 1, n plus 1 c n plus 1. This will be 8 raised to n plus 1 minus 2. Of course, this is 5 plus 1, 6. 8 raised to 6 will be 8 raised to 4, n plus 1 minus 2, because I'm taking 8 square as common. So this will be 1 plus 8n plus 8 plus 64. This entire bunch, let's take them as x or say k, whatever you want to take. Let's take it as x. So this will be 1 plus 8, 9 plus 8n plus 64 x. 9 plus 8n goes this side, so this will be 1 plus 8 is 9. So 9 to the power n plus 1 minus 8n minus 9 equals to 64x. This entire bunch. Now you see, if 9 raised to n plus 1 minus 8n minus 9 is equal to 64x, x can be any number. We are not bothered about that. Now you see, if this number is equal to 64x, whatever number x is, suppose x is say 5, so this will be 64 into 5. If x is say 1 million, 64 into 1 million. But all these numbers are always divisible by 64. You can divide this by 64. You can divide this by 64. This gives you 5, which gives you 1 million. If 9 raised to n plus 1 minus 8 and minus 9 is equal to 64x, it means this number 9 raised to n plus 1 minus 8 and minus 9 is divisible by 64 in case n is a positive integer. Alright?